Okay, now we're going to do some welding, everybody. How cool is that going to be? I don't know, my welding's not great. We'll see how it goes. What fun this is. Yay!
Shoo string, welding, baby. So yeah, the other floor section I didn't use the Footwell, but I did have another whole front floor section. I cut a bit out, which is a much better fit for what I was doing. And did a bit of welding. But my other camera was a GoPro, and for some reason it was on time lapse instead of movie, so it made it all come out all psychedelic. But that's okay, because you get to see me welding, and it goes in and out, which is quite good fun. And actually, at the end of the day, it's not a bad job. That's all welded in. It's got a proper floor. I mean, what's not to like about that?
This one's a bit better, I guess. Yeah, it's not ideal welding, but it's solid. I'll grind it off and put some stuff over it. And it'll be MOT standard, so that'll be alright. It takes ages. And welding is something you've got to be really good at, really. But I'm not very good at it. Which is a shame, but it will do me.
So, a bit of seam sealer over that, and then a coat of paint. And then next time I'm going to get some sound deadening and put all on the inside and cover it all up with that to make it all lovely and noiseless in my Jag. Well, not completely noiseless, because you want to hear the engine. So that's next time. And just to show you how good this is, what's this? Ooh, door shut's brilliant.
Yes, it's all good, really. Right, see you next time.
Thank you for watching my low budget restoration type thing, yeah.